Lastly, let's talk about foot pressure. So really what I'm talking about is I want even foot pressure in our feet. So when someone sets up the squat, again, I want them to cement themselves in, spread their quads away, get the meat of their quads away, and they shouldn't be too far in their toes. If they're too far in their toes, their heels are gonna come up, like so. If they're too far in their heels, their toes are gonna come up. So when we unrack the barbell, here, barbell's over midfoot, and if we get even foot pressure, where we have even foot pressure on the right or left, we're not too far forward, not too far back, we spread our quads, we lock our abs down, and when we squat down and break with our knees, that barbell should stay right above the midfoot. So I think if we remain a little bit more cognizant of foot pressure, and even when we're in the hole, we maintain that good foot pressure and maintain tension, I think the bar path just kind of takes care of itself, and we can get rid of the mental gymnastics. So foot pressure is going to be a big key. Press that big toe in, get that pinky toe involved, get your heels involved, don't be too far to the right or left. Even foot pressure, good foot pressure, cement yourself into the floor, and you're probably going to see an improvement in not only how your squat feels, but also your performance of your squat as well.